Hi everyone. Welcome back to The Syntax Writer. Today, we are going to learn about a very useful function in Excel called the average function. This video will be short and sweet, so let's get started. The average function helps you find the average value of a group of numbers. It's super handy for quickly analyzing data. Here, I have a list of monthly sales figures for the entire year in cell B2 to B13. To find the average of these sales figures, click on an empty cell where you want the result to appear. Let's use E4. Now, type is equal to average. B2, B13 and press enter. As you can see, the average sales figure for the year is displayed in selected cell. Easy, right? You can use the average function with any range of numbers. Just remember the syntax, is equal to average, start cell, end cell. It's that simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to The Syntax Writer, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. Thanks for watching, and happy excelling!